Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, it's me again, UBEH. So today I'm going to share with you guys how to create your own Google blog in the fastest way as possible. The reason why I'm making this video was whenever I start to search the tutorial how to create Google blog, the tutorial was so lengthy and very long. So I come up with my own step, the easiest step to create the Google blog. So here are the first step that you need to do to create your own Google blog. So let's go. Hey guys, my name is UBEH. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to create your own Google blog. So I'm going to make this tutorial easier for you to understand. So first of all, for the first step, you need to search for the blogger. Press enter, and then you go for this website, which is blogger.com. Click on that, and then click on this orange button which say create your blog. If you guys don't have a Google account, you can create one right here. Just click on this and then you fill up everything that it asks, and then you good to go. If you already have one like me, so just put your email right here, click next. So now it's asking for the password, so put your password, click next. So right now it's asking for your blog title, so it's up to you what you want to call your blog. So for my blog, I just want to put my name. So for the address, if you guys have a domain address, you can put your domain address in here. If you don't have one, just put your name first, and then you will see this one coming up, which is blogspot.com. Just click on that. If you guys have the same problem like me, which is this blog address is not available, just put any number at the end of the word that you put. Just put the number, click on this, then now it's access. So right now it's asking for the theme for your blog, so just put anything that you like. Don't worry, you can change your theme later in your blog. So right now I'm going to go with the simple theme. Just click on the theme and then click on this create blog. Click on this. So right now you are in your blog. So just now just said you can change your theme in your blog. Go for the theme, click on that, and then you can scroll down and see a lot of existing themes available for your blog. You can choose whatever you want. So right now I'm going to teach you how you gonna post in your blog. So to post in your blog, you need to click on these pages and then go for the new page. Click on that, and then you have to put any title for your page. So for my page, I just want to put graphic designs, and then you click publish button right here. Click on that. After you created your pages for the post, just click on the layout below that, and then scroll down a bit, and you will see on the right side it's saying sidebar right one. So you have to click on the add a gadget. Click on that, and then scroll a bit, you will see pages. So click plus for the pages, and then put the title that you put before this. So I just put graphic designs, and then you have to link this page to your page that you just created. So click on that, and then deselect everything that is showing at the top of your page. Just deselect that, and then click save. So for the post, just go for the post right here. Click on that, and then you have to create a new post. Click on this, and then put your post title. So for my post, I just want to go with the graphic designs as well. So if you guys already have a image or a video, you can click on this for the image, and this one is for the video. and this one is for the emoji, and then all of this is for the text. So right now I just want to make it simple, just put hello, and then click here for the publish, and then you have successfully posted your first post. So to view it, just click view, then this is your post title, and then the text or the content that you put, and then below that you can see the audience comments, all that if you have one. And then on the right side you can see blog archive, which is everything that you have posted before this. So right now I post one, which is graphic design, so I can see right here. And then to view how many audience that have seen your post is by going to the stage right here, click on the stage, and then go for the audience, click on that. So right now I don't have any audience, so I have to wait. If you guys already have an audience, you can check it right here, and you can see where your audience are from, which country. So that's it guys, you have created your own Google blog. So that's all for me. Thank you, see you next time.